Here's how I use ContactMonkey to plan internal communications strategically and stay aligned with my team. Before I create anything, I start in the content calendar. This is where I map out key dates, campaigns, and department needs so I can spot gaps, overlaps, or competing messages early. The calendar lets me visualize the full comms rhythm, coordinate with other teams, and identify opportunities for better sequencing or spacing. If there are two conflicting events or communications on the same day, I can easily shift timelines or create blackout periods to protect important campaigns. I also use description notes to capture planning context, like campaign goals, dependencies, and reminders for the team. Blackout periods are especially helpful during holidays, system outages, or no-send windows, ensuring we avoid message overload and keep the communication rhythm clean and intentional. Inside the calendar, I can see everything in one view. I can see background events from other teams, blackouts to avoid sending, draft events still in planning, live events already launched, any notes tied to each item, scheduled emails waiting to go out, and sent emails for reference. This helps me instantly understand what's happening across the organization and spot conflicts before they happen. Once the schedule is mapped, I plan the audience strategy using segmentation and list management. Before building the email, I review our distribution lists, or I can create new lists, whether that's by department, location, job title, leadership lever, or project team, to decide exactly who needs to receive each communication. By planning audiences up front, I can prevent unnecessary all-staff sends, avoid message fatigue for groups who don't need every update, and ensure each email is aligned with the right recipients from the start. This approach streamlines the entire process and removes the need to create multiple versions because the audience plan is already mapped to the communication strategy. With everything in one place, schedule, audiences, timing, blackout periods, and campaign notes, I can confidently plan communications for the entire organization. This makes it easier to coordinate across departments, reduce noise, and ensure every message lands with clarity and intention. And that's how I plan, map, and coordinate our internal comms strategy from one central hub in ContactMonkey.